Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin inside the Shortcuts app, create a new shortcut, and add the Open App action so the system knows what to launch. Explain why. Linking a dedicated action makes the shortcut reliable and fast. Once done, choose the target application and name the shortcut clearly, because descriptive names prevent confusion later. Make sure to set an icon, and if useful, attach a keyboard shortcut or voice phrase. Those triggers let you open the app without navigating home. Now refine the shortcut by chaining actions so opening the app can do more than just launch it. Explain how. Add conditionals like if to vary behavior, or use URL schemes to jump to a specific screen. That's why you add steps now. Once set, test the sequence in different contexts, locked screen, multitasking, or external keyboard, because triggers behave differently. Make sure to toggle show when run if you want visual confirmation, or keep it off. Finally, assign the trigger that matches how you work. Add to home screen, place a widget, attach a Siri phrase, or bind a keyboard shortcut for quick access. Explain why each matters. Widgets and home screen icons are visual, Siri is hands-free, and keyboard shortcuts are the fastest on a computer. If the app won't open, check permissions and whether the app is installed. If problems persist, recreate the shortcut or reset the Shortcuts app to clear corrupted states.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.